Hey friends, welcome to my kitchen. I'm excited to have you here today because I just received an amazing gift in the mail. It is my Butcher Box, and I wanted to share a little bit with you about what's inside Butcher Box and explain to you what Butcher Box is. So let's go ahead and see what's inside the package. I love that they recently transitioned to recycled packaging for their boxes, but they also deliver this amazing reusable tote bag that is insulated. Inside this bag, every month, you get 8 to 11 pounds of super high quality grass-fed, grass-finished beef, organic free-range chicken, and heritage breed pork. So it is a meat delivery service that just takes the stress and the pressure out of finding high quality protein for you and your family. Again, you're gonna get 8 to 11 pounds, which yields 16 to 25 meals. And it's just a lifesaver because I don't know about you, but I don't always have time to make it to the butcher shop, and I sometimes question the quality of the meat that's at the local grocery store, and even the stuff you find at some health food stores. They don't always have the quality of meat that you will find in your Butcher Box. So I love also the Butcher Box offers a variety of options, so you can get different combinations of beef and chicken and pork just to suit whatever your taste is. So in my box this month, I got some grass-fed top sirloin steak. Gonna be amazing. There are 4 of those. I have some New York strip steaks, which are gonna be super delicious. Again, all of this is grass-fed and grass-finished, and if you're like me, I want to eat healthy because I want it to be good for my body, and the quality of the meat that you put in your body makes such a huge difference. As a nutritionist, I always recommend that my clients invest in healthy fats and healthy animal protein, and Butcher Box, again, makes it super easy for you to get that healthy animal protein without even really having to think about it. We have some ground beef, which is excellent. Ground beef is such an amazing thing to have on hand because it's so easy to prep up. I'll tell you guys some ideas that I have for cooking and preparing this meat as well. We have some chicken drumsticks, which are gonna be super delicious. And let's see, we have chicken breasts. So again, all of this meat is really high quality. For the top sirloin steak, I normally just pan sear this with a little bit of ghee. I like to cook it to about medium rare and serve it with some broccoli. The New York strip steak is really great to sear, and then if you want to cut it really thinly and serve with some chimichurri sauce, it's super yummy like that. I love baking drumsticks. You can toss them in any variety of seasoning and cook them up in the oven. They'll be ready in no time. Chicken breasts are great. I actually love to throw the chicken breasts in the slow cooker because then you can make like a pulled chicken dish, and this is also great if you're batch cooking or meal prepping because you can make a big crock pot full of it and then have it ready for the whole week. And the ground beef, again, like I said, sometimes I'll just cook up a pound of this ground beef and have it to throw over a baked sweet potato or throw it in a stir fry when I'm trying to prepare a quick meal. So again, Butcher Box makes this so easy and convenient to get really high quality animal protein into your diet. You know, there is a huge difference between conventional meat and the grass-fed and sustainably and humanely raised meat that you'll get from Butcher Box, namely, especially when it comes to the beef, the high-quality grass-fed, grass-finished beef is gonna offer you a huge variety of omega-3s. The fatty acid composition is different, and it's going to be a lot better for your body. Conventionally raised meat can actually lead to increased levels of inflammation, which is not what we want. The chicken is going to taste great. It does make a huge difference. I don't know if you've ever had like bland, gross chicken breast. This is not that chicken. This is really high quality. Again, the animals being given access to pasture and to range freely not only reduces the amount of stress hormones in their bodies, so the meat is nice and tender, but it makes it taste so much better because their diet has a lot of variety in it. And the heritage breed pork that you'll find in your Butcher Box delivery is bred specifically for its taste. It's like a specific breed of pork that was brought over from Spain centuries ago. So you're always going to be getting, again, really high quality, great tasting meat, and it's delivered to your door. So again, this is going to be like 16 to 25 meals that you don't even have to think about because Butcher Box is bringing it right to you. They only use humanely raised, no hormones, no antibiotics, super high quality beef, chicken, and pork. So I personally love this. Again, like I said, I have a busy schedule and I know where the butcher shop is and I just don't have time to make it there. I love having ButcherBox ready, not only because it's delivered right to my door, also because it's delivered frozen. So that means I get to choose when I eat it. I don't have to worry about it going bad in the fridge. But you don't have to take my word for it. You can go ahead and place your order for ButcherBox today using the link provided, and they're gonna give you guys some awesome bonuses. You get $20 off your first order, plus free shipping, plus, hold the bus, this is gonna be the kicker, free bacon. And I wanna mention something about the bacon that you get from ButcherBox. This is not just any bacon. This is paleo compliant, Whole30 compliant, again, really high quality pork. But the key for me, and the thing that I always look for in bacon, is that it's sugar and nitrite free. So this is high quality bacon that you can feel good about eating. You don't have to feel guilty about it. So again, if you place your order now on your first box, you're gonna get $20 off, which is amazing, plus free shipping, plus free bacon. And you don't have to worry about remembering my tips for cooking any of these meats, because in your ButcherBox delivery, you also get amazing recipe cards that are suited to whatever has been delivered in your box or bag. Plus, you get this free tote, and I love these. They're insulated. The one thing I love to use these for is picnics. I love going on picnics with friends. So if I was gonna go on a picnic now, I would cook up this chicken breast, make a really awesome paleo-friendly chicken salad, and then I'd be able to throw everything back in this tote bag. And it keeps it nice and fresh. Again, so you're really high quality, reusable tote bags. And we know how important it is to save the planet and get rid of the paper bags, get rid of the plastic bags, and enjoy these amazing reusable totes. Again, the quality of the meat delivered by ButcherBox is going to have such a huge impact on your health. It's going to be way better for you, and it's only going to give you the benefits of healthy animal protein and none of the inflammation or indigestion that you would get from conventionally raised meat. So again, place your order today. You're going to get $20 off your first box, plus free shipping, plus free bacon. I mean, come on guys, if it was just the bacon alone, that would be worth it. It's a great deal. It's so good for you. I really encourage you to take advantage of it and just see for yourself how amazing ButcherBox is and how much easier it can make your life. So that's it. I'm really excited. I love sharing great health tips with you guys, and this is one of my favorite by far. So go ahead and take advantage, click the link, and enjoy ButcherBox with me.